And now Professor Bonehead will show you the anatomy of the kidney. Actually, don't you think I'm a bit more qualified to do that? But I was referring to you. Wah ha ha! Well, that numbskull is correct. I will show you the kidney anatomy now. Begin with the outermost fibrous layer, called the renal capsule. The next layer inward is the renal cortex and the medulla. Making up the medulla are these conical structures called the renal pyramid. Spaced in between the renal pyramids is this cortex-like tissue called the renal column. The tip or apex of these pyramids are called the renal papilla. Here we have the ureter, which enters the kidney in this fissure called the hilus. Continuous with the ureter is this flat basin-like area called the renal pelvis, which branches into the primary branches called the major calyx, which further branches into the minor calyx. Major, minor. You can also see here the renal artery and vein. The renal artery branches into the lobar arteries, which you can still see on this side. The lobar arteries branch into the interlobar arteries. And then they branch into these arcuate arteries, which kind of line the border of the medulla. Branching off of those, we have the interlobular arteries, which branch into the afferent arterioles, which I will show you on a microscopic scale model.